Hey guys, you're welcome. Apparently, I'm going to show you guys how to return an item on Jumia. So, what happened is that we just bought an item on Jumia, but we got to find out that the item was incomplete. So, I'm going to enter my application now. So, what you do, you need to have this Jumia application on your phone. You need to have this Jumia application on your phone, or you can also utilize the web version. So, whichever. But for this, we'll be doing the using this. App version. So once you're logged in, you click on your account. It's currently loading here, sure, but you click on your account section. Once you click on your account section, then it shoots you to your orders. You see a list of orders that you've been able to make. So you click on your orders for your particular account. When you click on the orders, it will show you a list of items that you've been able to that you placed orders for. So for this particular I think we bought a phone, so that's what we're currently looking at returning. So what you need to do on Jumia, we've tested Jumia company. We've tested them for we've had experiences about returns. Their returns are always okay. They are good. They are good. So what I'm trying to say is that if you we've never had an issue where we bought and we were we were not returned, or the item that we returned for it, we applied for return, we didn't get what we want. So that's kudos to them, guys. So that's something I recommended before. So you can see here we bought a fan. The fan was good according to statistic client feedback. It was good, but for this, as of recording this video, I think today is Monday 30th, but I don't know when when you'll be seeing this video, but that's the date. So this item just came today, but we got to find out that there's no thing. The battery was not attached to the phone, so there was no battery inside. So I think that was the issue we have with this particular item. So you can see on my dashboard now, it says you can either buy again, see status history, request a return. So is this place that is written request a return? That's where you click on the item here. You can see where there's a voucher discount here and the shipping fees and everything. So that's the price of the phone. So I'll be dropping a link so you can get access to this phone. I think they made a miss up, or it was during the packaging process. So they are going to return us and give us something better. So you're going to click request return. When you click request return, you let them know why you're returning it, and you're good to go. So it says please tell us why you're returning it. You're returning one, the quantity is just one. Okay, item received with missing parts or accessories. So that's it. That's the reason. So say item is okay, but there was no battery attached to the phone. I can't switch on the phone as there is no battery and the phone is not an inbuilt battery type. So that is basically the whole stuff. So once you're done with this, so you might just put here and set a missing battery. Okay, so that's like, this should cover for everything here. So this is basically how to return an item on Jumia. So, and you see, what you note from this is that we are returning it immediately after we got this item. So we got the item today, we checked it to see if everything is okay, and we found out some issues and we are trying to return it. It's not that you after 1 year that's when you want to now return phone. Nobody does that. So you click on request return. Once you click on request return, the delivery people they'll book an appointment, so the delivery people will come call you and you're good to go. So said which payment do you prefer? You receive your refund via bank transfer depending on the bank. Okay, so I'm going to put on the details for this particular account, but guys, this is how to do it. So because of the details here, I'm going to pause this video and put the details, guys. So hey guys, it said the request has been successfully submitted. So these are it is. So if you have any question, feel free to ask us. So we'll be expecting the delivery people to come pick up the item and take it to back to their head office and bring it back for us, or they return us the cash deposit and we'll place the order again. So it's a little bit stressful, but the good thing is that you are guaranteed that they will be able to rectify their issues. So I think one of guys, I'll be dropping a link in the description box below so you can get discounts while shop on Jumia. You can see for this order, you can check the previous order. While we were shopping for this order, we got a discount. So I think that's something beneficial. So you guys, feel free to subscribe. Feel free to like this video if you find it useful. And one love, guys. Your boy Keys, and stay safe, stay blessed, still winning, guys. Your boy Keys.